It's another day. I'm at the farm with Logan and Ryan, and they're gonna help me put it on. Well, they're gonna help me. I mean, like teach me because I have no idea how, and they have more knowledge.
Got Logan taking out the bolt from the top part of the strut. Trying to get this brace or mount out of here.
Hey Michael. Yeah. Can I see that whole spot?
You see it right there.
Huh? Hi.
Say hi to Logan. No, not anymore. Just a little bit cleaner for you guys.
So I guess that sweat bar's not even the right one.
No, yeah, it doesn't even fit in there. You can see how far it is over here. Come over to the other side. Just some hunky-dory shit going on.
It's a bunch of miscellaneous items all together.
Dude, that dyno mat though.
No, dude. I tried taking it out and I give up. It's a bitch. I had a heat gun and everything.
Shit's nasty.
There are the cracks. Nothing. Super glue, dude.
Definitely a project car to say the least. This patch though, this looks,
Pretty good.
yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, I know this though. It's not. Oh, it's not trim. That's why. Never mind. I was like, I can see inside it, but that's kind of there's not trim. I want to see what's underneath this. Underneath this, see how banged up it is.
Oh, I probably.
I won't be surprised if it's more present being
There you go, bud.
So I'm gonna give that sway bar to Logan.
You might not be able to get it with that piece of metal right there.
The coil. You can bend it.
Piece of metal.
I don't know how this is gonna come out though.
We can.
Yeah, you got it. Careful, dude. Don't cut yourself on that.
There we go. Hell yeah.
So I go, baby.
So we're in here taking off the driver's side right rear coilover, and well, that bolt right there didn't even have the right size nut on it. It was just on there like that, just driving around with it, just chilling on there. Some good mechanical engineering there.
So right now we're figuring out if it matters if it's left to right for the rear coilovers, and we're messing with the manual. It was like Japanese, and in the back it was English. So we're just figuring out all the settings right now. Preload, the higher, and here's the old coil right here. We took out the driver's side, and like Logan was saying earlier on the video, when the bolts on top wasn't even the right size. So like you said, good engineering right there, mechanical engineering. Fucking 240sx fucking owners.
We're going for it.
You going for it? Hell yeah. Get the Tiens in. Alright. Oh, you're in.
Oh wait, I see what I gotta do. Okay.
Oh shit.
Puzzle.
You can put it.
That's how I did it.
Put it down in there.
Put that angle in.
No, put it in the hole first.
Yeah, that's right.
And then slide it all the way back as far as you can. There you go. Now put it up.
There we go.
There you go. First coil is almost done. I don't know if you guys can see in there. We can twist it.
Yeah, hold on. No.
It's like this far, this is how far I got last time. And I text you. It's like,
What is it doing?
We'll just. Yeah, well, let me grab a rubber mallet and some grease.
So Logan and Ryan got the coil in. Look sexy. That's like. So what he did was he greased it up, hit it with that rubber mallet. So you don't want to damage the goods, and pop right in. Now we just gotta bolt these ones on top. They're the 12s, and yeah, we're in the goods. Yeah, boy.
Dude, everything on your car is blue.
That's why it was wiggling.
What?
All your shit is loose, dude. We need to do a shakedown
Can you
on
see
this
in
one.
here? Look at this.
So what was going on earlier? I was telling them that my rear wheels, when I first jacked up the other day, there was a lot of play, and they're saying that's not normal. Obviously, it's not normal, but he's saying everything's just loose as fuck. So,
Typical 240.
yep, I'm learning the hard way right now. There ain't no.
14-year-olds.
So we're working on the front one now. Ryan's getting on it. So you take off these bolts out from the top right here. These two, 1 and 2. And this, we noticed that one of the bolts are different. I guess Logan was saying it was a special suspension bolt. Look at it.
I need somebody to hold the suspension for me real quick. You got it?
Okay.
Michael?
Yeah. Let's see.
Here, buddy.
Sure.
What do you want me to do?
Hold the suspension. It's coming out. Push up on the back. There you
So he's using the bolts on top.
go. And
With a bolt size on top.
a 14 millimeter.
14 millimeters on top.
Good to go. Hey.
Dropped it.
Let's go.
Come out, baby. Because I'm videotaping today, I thought it was going to be helping a lot more than I thought it would, but looks like they got it. Ooh,
Let's
baby.
go match it up to that one over there real quick.
So he's installing the front. Boom, baby. Here's the old ones. The rear? The front. And it looks like the previous guy made some custom drill hole and looked like to fit on. Here's the ones I'm putting on. So he did some extra work there. Here's the old rear. There's a chip in it here. So these are fucking. I mean, they're still good, looks like, but I'm just gonna give it to Logan for helping me out. He has a bunch of cars and projects to do work on.
Scratch that.
What?
We put it in the wrong way.
Oh, okay, we put it on the wrong way. Okay.
Alright, so go back to the whole.
At least we know.
Just a bunch of rookies here.
Yeah. You guys can't see, can you guys see it? His hands are steaming from working so hard. Oh, shit. He's slaving away. Look.
Okay, don't move. Come on, bitch.
Does it need to lift up more or something?
There you go. Wiggle it back and forth. That's what I was doing, was wiggling it.
Are you?
Oh, man, I got it. Okay. Where's that? Now we're done.
Right there. She slide in.
Yep.
So I don't know if you guys can hear me. We got the heater on here because it's getting a little cold here in Oregon. So we're gonna be I'm gonna be showing what we have done so far. So we got the front ends right now. Thanks to Ryan and Logan. And then the rear end. Boom. Alright. Anyway. And then now we're on this side. We're gonna put the passenger sides now. Logan's under, we're gonna jack it. That's where we're at right now.
We're good. Go. Do you have to go down a little bit lower? There you go. There she goes.